let's learn the chase. The chase is an important foundational step in house. I believe it's a precursor to the loose legs. They both have a very similar look. But as a beginner, the chase is a very basic step, and it helps you work on bringing your weight away from your body and then pulling it back in under you. So when you do this step, you want to start from a nice neutral position and just step out away from you, and you're going to twist your body. When you want to pull your leg back, you're going to slide it in, and you're going to cross it in front of you. Try not to bring it behind, right? You step out, cross in front, and if there was a center line going down your body, it feels like your opposite shoulder and your front knee are approaching that same line. So it feels like your body's twisting. What this helps you do is set up for the next step when you go out on the other side. Your body's already prepped to go out. And then you pull back the same way, pull to that cross, other shoulder comes forward. Step out, cross, step out, cross, step out, cross, step out, cross. As you do this step, try to keep your knees soft so they're always a little bit bent. You don't want to be completely straight up, otherwise it's going to feel kind of stiff when you do this step. Try to have a little bit of a bent knee, and also lean your body a little bit forward. This is my preference. So that way if you lean forward, it feels easier to just drop your weight out like that. And then, because your body weight is between your legs, it's not too difficult to pull this leg back. Your body's forward, you step out, step out, step out, step out, like that. One other little detail, there's different ways that you can feel the floor with your step. I like to lift my knee up a little bit as I step out. So I'm not just plopping my foot forward. You could do it, but my preference is to lift your knee up to give it a little bit of purpose to that step. So in the middle here on that cross, I have time to lift up a little bit and step. Lift, step, pull, 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 lift, step, pull. Okay? If your body is twisting side to side, you don't really have to give your arms much to do. They're going to just move naturally with your body as you pull your legs in. Okay? You can also switch the angles. You can go a little bit more diagonal when you do this step if you prefer to do that. It's a little bit easier than having to step all the way out. You can also step side to side and come back to that center position. One more way you can modify this step is that instead of making it a 1-2 count, okay, that's the most basic way, is to make it a 1 and 2 count. So it feels like a ball change in the beginning. You step out the same way, but then use your back foot as like an anchor to pull your front foot in. 1, 2, pull. 1, 2, pull, lift. 1, 2, pull, lift. 1, 2, pull, lift. 1, 2, pull, and pull, and I can go back to the 2 count. 2 count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, that's the chase. Let's try it with music.